Good job, Jacob. Very, very brave. Good job, Nathaniel. Good job, Amelia.
Here you go, little one.
Cassandra, move closer. Ray, move closer. Yeah, it doesn't matter. Ray, move closer. Move closer, Ray. It's gonna be hungry. Good boy, move closer, Ray. Oh.
Remember, you guys got to go nice and close and hold the food out or they can't reach.
Go close. They're getting hungry. No, don't throw it. Keep going. Have a go. Good girl. Good girl, Mia. Good job, Eva. Move over. Good job, Mia. Good job, Eva. It's okay. You had a go. No, Jacob. We can't tease them. Don't tease them, Jakey. No. Yes, if you turn. Come on, Eva. Have a go. Good girl, Eva. Good job, Ella. Good girl. Good. Come on, Ella, have a go, honey. Good job. So brave.